Maayong adlaw mga higala. This is your Maestra Judy. Welcome to my channel where I teach you conversational Bisaya Cebuano. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to say I could not hear you in Bisaya. We are going to break it down word for word, and at the same time, we are going to practice on how to say this, and I'll give you some tips on the arrangement of the words in this sentence. Now let's start. I could not hear you. Dili ko kadungog nimo. Dili ko kadungog nimo. Let's break it down. Dili is no or not in this case. Notice that the negation, such as dili, comes first, and then the subject, and then the verb, and then the personal pronoun. Okay? Next, I is ko. Ko. Here is kadungog. Kadungog. And then you is nimo. It's not Nemo, it's Nimo. Nimo. Now let's practice and repeat after me. Dili. Dili. Ko. Ko. Kadungog. Kadungog. Nimo. Nimo. Dili ko kadungog nimo. That's the end of our very short lesson. Daghang salamat mga higala. Kita ta sunod Biyernes. See you next Friday for another short video lesson. Don't forget to visit me at my site, cebuano101.com, and subscribe if you haven't done so yet. Don't forget to give me a like. That will really help my YouTube channel. I'll see you again next time. Bye!